Trouble is, I don't really know what to say and how to say it. Here it is. This is what gets in the way of the Rory project. It's this thing called work. How do you say it? Hello, welcome to work. So today on work, I'm repairing. I don't know. I can't. Just watch. Can I? Well, maybe. I just get my hand in there. There you go. Oh. That was easier than I thought it would be. Everything but the one I need. Now there it is. There it is. I need a little star drive one. So apparently, if I take this number plate box, it'll probably make it a lot easier to get to the lock. Maybe that's all it is. It might just be that it's kind of hard to show you. That, well, no. It might just be that here, if you'll focus, these are the screws on the outside. Where are we? Here and here, and they're broke off. So maybe just repairing that so this can then move. So, yeah, so then this bit can then move in. Anyway, I know what I'm doing. You have to practice talking. I know. That's what you're doing. Oh, yeah, that is what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing. Where's my bungee cord for this door? Alright, let's see. Let's see what happens here, shall we? Let's okay. There we go. Now I can see what's going on here. It's just all this junk is loose, that's all it is. I'm going to drill the holes out using a unibit, just so then I can put the new screws back in and put it back together. Probably can't see it, but never mind. Using these kind of screws, that's what I use for electrical panels and stuff like that. And now, if that is, see that's super stiff. Ooh, that is a spring there. There we go. So now we have a little bit of, ooh, baby, you see what that looks like. Now we have the mechanism working on the back. Make sure to put the bulb back in. Now I'm going to put a couple of screws in from the back. Does that work now? I guess we'll see, I suppose. Oh. Did something right for a change. All right.